Hi friends, this is Sohi. Today we are going to learn how to create shift and give the shift to the employee in CheckTime software. So first you open your software, enter your username and password. In the last video we have learned how to create the timetable. You can see here, so we have created morning timetable, afternoon and night. And this is office and office Saturday. So today we are going to learn how we can use this timetable inside the shift then give to the employees. So we go out from here. First we go to the shift here. We click the add button. Type the shift name. Type the start date when the shift is starting. If you already using fingerprint device before set up the shift, then you can set your date from here. So we have shift here. Shift normally for those people who coming every day same time. So we just click here office admin, add time. I select here office Monday to Friday, whichever you using day you can use that one. I just use Monday to Friday 8 to 5, add. So if I go to office, I have Monday to Friday 8 to 5. Now I want to add Saturday, another day, half day. So go again add time, click the Saturday. Before go again, make sure you select the shift where you want to add the time. Then just add time, go office Saturday, uncheck, check only a Saturday. If you're using alternate Saturday, then go to alternate Saturday. Which Saturday your guys is working, you can choose the thing. If no, then just uncheck this one, uncheck this one. Saturday means all the Saturday you are working. Add. So we have here shift. Now we have timetable. This is the shift. So we have timetable and shift. How we going to use these two things inside the schedule? We just go to employee schedule. When you want to give any shift to any employee, go to the department. You can select all from this green check, or you can select one employee who is follow the shift. Then go to arrange shift. This is a fixed schedule. This schedule for shift, who is using shift like the office people, they are fixed shift, so they are using one shift. Go to plus sign, select the shift which you created, verify all the days, same, select set the date by date range. If you have different shift in different range, you can give here, just apply, add. So you can see here, this is here, just add. Now if you click on the name, you can see this is the people are using fixed shift. Now for those people who rotating the shift, like the morning, afternoon, night shift, every week they rotate the shift, and those how you going to handle. So this is the fixed shift we created from here. Office people who is coming every day same this cycle. Now we going to be rotation shift, that is we directly using timetable which just we create here. If you don't know how to create the timetable, in the video description I have the link. You can go to the link and watch the video how to create the timetable. In previous video we have learned this thing. So now this three timetable we are going to use for employee who rotating the shift every day. Just go out from here, go to employee schedule, go to new department, go here to employee who don't have any timetable, who follow the day, night, morning shift. Then just go here, go to arrange shift again. Then we go to automatic schedule, then click plus. I select first morning shift, apply. Then I select afternoon shift, apply. Then last I select night shift, apply. So we have here morning, afternoon, night. 3 shift we give to the one employee who we selected here. So these shift go to his account, and whenever he scan the fingerprint according to the shift timing, you can see 3 shift belong to his account. So here is whenever he scan the fingerprint face in the biometric device, system will automatically judge his time is morning, afternoon or night. So you don't need to be every week or something changing to his in his account. So this for this employee, another thing, rotating shift, some employees they have different rest day. Supposed to be my rest day is Monday and other people rest day is different day. So you want to handle the rest day for this employee, then just go out from here, go to employee, go to the employee name, edit, select rest day, click the rest day, select any rest day who is belong to that employee, save. Based on this rest day it will calculate your overtime or other things. So today video we learn how we create the shift and how to use this shift inside the employee, give to the employee who follow every day same shift, and how we using a rotational shift to the employee. So today we have learned this thing. In next video we are going to learn temporary shift. Thanks for watching.
Get your check time biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.